In the mirror lately and looked older than you feel. Those bags under your eyes could be the culprit. The problem, Dr. Justin Johnson is an oculoplastic surgeon at Utah Eye and Facial Plastic Surgery. He says there's a way to eliminate those bags altogether. We're going to start at the beginning. Aside from a lack of sleep, which I think people feel contributes to that, what actually causes bags under your eyes?
Well, you have this wall. It's called the septum. It goes from the bottom of the bone up to the top of the eyelid. And as you get older, it starts to loosen, letting the bags, the fat pads that protect your eye, to push forward, causing that puffiness.
So they're literally coming closer to the surface of the skin and dropping a little bit?
Correct. And then that puts more pressure on the wall, so to speak, which lets it loosen up more, and it's kind of a never-ending process. So once it gets started, it doesn't stop.
You do a procedure that actually helps with this particular issue.
Correct. What we do is it's called a blepharoplasty, and it's a lower lid blepharoplasty. Blepharoplasty means eyelid surgery. So we go and we take those fat pads out, and if you have any extra skin, we also remove that skin as well.
How involved of a procedure is this? I mean, is it considered a surgery?
It is considered a surgery, and here we have some pictures that you can see of some before and after pictures. You can see the fat pads on the lady there, and on the left, you know, she had some pretty nice fat pads there, which we took out and tightened up her skin. And we don't always, you know, take the skin off if it's not necessary. Like this gentleman here, you can see how bad his fat pads were.
I was going to ask that. So you don't always remove the skin. Sometimes you just remove the fat pads.
Yeah, sometimes you just need the fat pads removed. Sometimes you need the skin removed. And so you can see this gentleman here had his lid was loose. This gentleman here also, his lids were loose, which we tightened up. And the nice thing is insurance will cover this part of the time. It depends on how, you know, what's causing it and so forth. Like this lady here did have her skin removed as well as her fat pads. And you can see this is 3 days post-op. Same with this gentleman. He's 3 days post-op. And I use a tissue sealant when I do my surgery. So you can see the little tissue sealant, which is colored purple. And this lady here just had her fat pads removed. We did not remove any skin.
But within a matter of days, you said these pictures, most of them were 3 days after the surgery. Within a matter of days, you can see that dramatic before and after difference.
Yeah, you can see the before and after right after the surgery. And then because I use a laser, generally you don't have too much swelling or bruising, so it's, you know, it's pretty straightforward.
And explain the use of the laser. How is that involved?
Well, we use a laser to cut the skin and the tissue, and to remove the skin and the tissue. And what that does is it cauterizes the skin and the tissue, so you don't get as much bruising or swelling.
There wasn't hardly any bruising in those photos, and the swelling had gone down significantly. So that laser helps contribute to that quick healing.
It does. It really makes it quickly heal quickly.
And you have a special right now for Studio 5 viewers.
Yes, what we're doing is usually we do consults. They're $100, but we're doing free consults for everybody. Come in and see if you would qualify under insurance to have the lower eyelids or even the upper eyelids done.
And if people want that consultation, they want to take advantage of that free opportunity or want more information, see if this surgery is right for you, where do they go? Well,
they can call us. It's a pretty easy telephone number to remember. It's 281-FACE. That's 281-3223. Or they can go to our website, which is eyelidexpert.com.
All right, Dr. Johnson, thank you so much. Dramatic before and afters there. Be sure to check out their website again, eyelidexpert.com, and we'll link you there from our website, studio5.ksl.com. Coming up